Hey everyone, in this video we will share some tips and tips to easily crack WBJEE HOM exam. You need to finish 4 sections of WBJEE HOM exam within 90 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 50 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Remember, negative marking is a factor here. Therefore, try not to attempt those questions that put you in doubt. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by practicing as many online tests as possible. For that, I would recommend you the Prep Guru application by Youth for Work because it is the best app for preparation. You can download the app by the link given below in the description. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.